What up, you guys? It's Katu
and JJ.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe for more videos. If you wanna see more videos,
turn on your notifications.
Your person, your bell, the bell thing. Subscribe. So you feel
subscribe,
me?
guys, and watch our videos.
Yeah.
Comment whatever y'all want.
Yep. So today I will be doing a try on best way to my outfit, like a Diddy's outfit.
Yeah.
A beauty. It don't have to be expensive, you know. You can slay however you want.
Diddy's is not expensive.
I know, but you can slay if you want it, if you want to. So we finna do a Diddy's try on. So I will put the clothes on and she will rate me 1 to 10. She's gonna give me like a number if my clothes deserve a 5 or 2 or 10. So just get it. Let's get to this video now.
Let's get to this video.
Think so. How much would you weigh me?
I love short pants, so
How much is it?
1 out of 10.
Yes.
I'll give 10.
10?
Yeah, it looks good.
Draco got that kickback when I broke.
This one is like for 5 again. Like probably 5 or 6 plus tax for 6. So how much would you rate me for this one? How much would you rate me?
Bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. If that bitch gets slick, I'll cut the bitch. I'll cut up the bitch, I'll gut the bitch. Had to fuck up the bitch, man, fuck the bitch. Won't shoot her, but I will gun butt the bitch.
Yeah,
When we
I
say
like
fuck
it.
the bitch, dig up the bitch. She was stuck up, so my nigga stuck up the bitch. Still dragging her, so don't pick up the bitch.
I like it though. It's my opinion. If y'all don't like it, say in the comment.
Yeah, like
But
the
for
first
me-
one and the second one and the third one. This one is like, I don't know how much is it. So I don't know how
But
much
for
is
me, I
this
like
one.
it. So
I don't know.
damn.
Damn, darling. What about this one? She's slay. What about this one?
Estás cómoda si vamos aparte.
Así como tú quieras, te hago el amor.
Pa' mí, modélame, bebé, no interior y de pensar que yo contigo.
I would say 10, but they're gonna be like, oh, too much 10, Yeah, I like it. So I would give 10.
Okay.
I'm saying 10 to everything that fit her correct and that I like, I would buy for myself.
Okay. What about this one? This one. Yeah, you guys ready? What about this one?
I don't have no words. I love leggings. So that's definitely a 10.
Fuck non pas plaisir. Bagayon difficile. Fuck non pas plairer. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je suis ri pour toi. Je t'aime. Je suis fier de toi.
I will, probably.
All of those, you buy them at Diddy's.
Yeah, this one is like for 3.
I need to go to Diddy's.
3.
I need to go to Diddy's, guys.
3. $11 something. Ooh,
I can't believe it.
11 something.
I can't believe it. I will buy everything. So you got a 10.
10?
How many was that? 5?
That's
5 things that you showed us?
I think so.
$50. No, 50.
This one is 11.
50.
Et madame Moula, tu vas monter mal.
50.
Depuis petit 1 plus 7, tout connaît qui ça légal.
This one
Tout
is
Batman diamant les bras qu'elle fait de débris balles. Sous pas au pif, faut passer mettre moi fait tout mal. Petit moi de madame ou vous me regardez le connaît beau sale. Gade chon trap foot bon, me laisse ça craser béton. Non champ.
J'aime quand elle danse comme ça. Bina bina boé, bina boé, bina bina boé. J'aime quand elle danse comme ça. Oh, jamais auparavant je n'ai senti telle émotion. Aucune autre femme n'a su tirer de moi une telle attention. Je me sens envoûté, en ça.
So this is the last outfit. This one is the last one. So how much would you weight me?
Darn.
Turn this heavy. How much would you weight me? Yeah. This is it.
How much will I weigh her, guys?
It's like this Kia.
They are pilon que devant.
Yeah.
How much would I weigh? I will give you an 8.
8 for this
Yeah.
one. Why?
Because okay, I like it. I will buy it, but it's kind of like I don't really like
Oh, this thing.
Zoe elephant.
Oh,
They call it Zoe elephant.
But it go like still skinny. Lipophobia.
Yes, this time is also skinny. Yeah, I will give you 8 because of this.
Yeah.
I don't really
She
like
finally
it.
find something she won't like.
I don't really like. I like it. I like the way it is on her, but I don't really like.
Li ap kope, li tout ap kope.
Thank you guys for
Thank you
watching.
for watching, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Make sure you guys comment like if you want to see a part 2, and like if you want to see a part 2 like this video, like just the one I did like a clothing haul.
Yeah.
So give us like 500 likes, I think.
500 likes.
Yeah. Et puis ma font la deuxième vidéo pour nous encore.
Yeah.
Si nous besoin ouais plus vidéo de fashion like Diddy's ou bien l'autre
Or
côté dans l'autre
whatever
stocky
other store.
bakri bagay à
She's funny. She's like
bagay à
Barbie.
$23 $4 $8
She's so
$11.
cheap. Like
Hell
seriously.
yeah, who's not cheap? Qui est-ce
But
qui est
I
cheap?
will after this. I will go to Diddy's.
Like but jump the corner like Diddy's.
I will go. Like when I go, I don't really like find. You know,
'Cause
I don't know how
m'acheter.
to. I'm back on kitchen for my stay, so it's kind of like hard for me to get like
Yeah.
those clothes. But she was looking.
Yes, I was looking.
She was looking perfect.
Yes, si nous besoin plus vidéo comme ça, partagez vidéo. I mean, Shelly partagez. Et puis m'a fait deuxième vidéo pour nous encore.
Diddy's in the
The
house.
Diddy's. Diddy's better supporting parce que no Diddy's my favorite.
Thank you guys.
Bye you
Bye
guys.
guys.
Love ya.
We love y'all.
Yeah.
With my big ass eyes. big eyes.
Bye.
You didn't close it yet.
I know, right?